Hello adventurers! Today, we're diving into the Ultimate Pink Survival Kit, a 40-piece military-grade set designed by female veterans specifically for women who love the great outdoors. This comprehensive kit includes essential tools like a first aid kit, folding shovel, tactical flashlight, fishing tools, and a survival knife, ensuring you're prepared for any situation while hiking, camping, or traveling. With its durable 1000D nylon bag and MALL-compatible shoulder straps, this kit is easy to carry and attach to any gear or belt, making it the perfect companion for your outdoor adventures. Whether you're shopping for your mom, sister, wife, or friend, this survival kit makes an ideal gift, showing them you care about their safety and well-being. Plus, our excellent customer service offers a 24-hour solution to any issues, ensuring peace of mind for both men and women venturing into the wild. So gear up and stay protected with this high-quality survival set, and embrace the great outdoors with confidence and style. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.